Hi, my name is Jerry McSparron with JMAC Engine Shop, and this is another one of my engine completion videos. Today's date is March the 14th of 2023, and this engine is engine number FM6307UE, and it belongs to Paul. So this video is for you, Paul, so you can hear it run. And it runs quite well, and it has been completely gone through. I've decked the head and got quite a bit off of it, so that it's pushing about 9.5 to 1 compression, and the compression numbers starting with 1 through 4 is 175, 180, 180, and 180. So I expect that to probably improve even as time goes on. Oil pressure is good. Starts out when you first start it up, it'll while the engine's cold, it'll get over 75 pounds of pressure, which is real good. And then I think the lowest I saw it was about 70. I ran it for about an hour, and it's doing quite well. In case you're wondering, Paul, that fuel pump is working great. I checked it. I ran the engine while I was checking it off my electric fuel pump, and it was squirting fuel through there like mad. So it's fine. So I hooked it up, and I've been running it ever since on the mechanical pump. And but it's got all new bearings, new pistons, new flat top pistons, double timing chain, double springs. It's got 270 cam. It's been fixed up, and it runs great. So I'm going to run it for a few minutes, and then if I think of something, I'll come back afterwards, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. It doesn't have a muffler, so it's going to be a little bit loud. Okay, so just a couple other things. It's been balanced, and the balance checks out. It's smooth, and it's really don't have a whole lot more to say about it. It's running good, and it's ready to be picked up. So thanks for watching.